Hello everyone. Gautam, Arsalan, Abdul, have you memorized the formulas I asked you in the last class?
Yes, sir.
All right. Kind of, yes. All right. And Shravya, have you watched previous lectures? No. All right. Please like watch all the lectures. Okay, you are having exams. How's the exams?
It was good, sir.
Okay. In the mathematics exam also? Scoring good marks?
No, sir, we did not get our marks.
You have not got your marks. All right. Please watch the previous lecture. All right. First, you have to see all the formulas for that. All right. Otherwise, this chapter is not going to make sense at all.
Sir, I know the formulas because this came for the examination.
All right then. No issue. Let's start with the question.
Sir, did you ask about marks that time?
Which marks?
So maths.
Yeah, I asked about math marks.
No, sir, we did not get our marks because the day before yesterday our exams got over.
All right, all right. But it was good, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start with the question. Very easy question. Sin pi by 4 into cos pi by 12 plus cos pi by 4 into sin pi by 12. The question says simplify. All right. Try to simplify this quantity. Okay, Shravya has answered. Gautam, Abdul, Arslan. Okay, let's see. Gautam, if you take pi by 4 as A and pi by 12 as B, can we rewrite this as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B? Can we write this? Gautam, Abdul, Arsalan.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you tell which formula is this? Sin A plus B. Absolutely right. We can use sin A plus B. So this is sine pi by 4 plus pi by 12, and this is sine 4 pi by 12, that is pi by 3. The value of sine pi by 3 is root 3 upon 2. All right, clear? Gautam, Arsalan, Abdul, Shabya, you already answered.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. See, the only way to get better at trigonometry is solve many questions. Prove that sine 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to tan theta. All right. Prove this one out. I'll give you a few minutes.
Yes.
Done?
1 minute, sir.
All right.
Proved, sir.
Okay. Gautam, Arsalan, use that half angle formula, right? Gautam, can you tell me what is sine 2 theta?
Sir, did you ask me?
Oh, no, I asked Gautam, Shabya.
Okay,
Right.
sir. My net is low, so I cannot hear properly.
Okay. Gautam, what is sine 2 theta?
Sir, 2 sin theta cos theta.
Right, 2 sine theta and cos theta. And what can I write here? 1 plus cos 2 theta. I gave you this formula, right? Formula 15 or
Sir,
16.
2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta. This 2 and 2 is cancelled. Cos theta and cos theta is cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. All right. This thing very important. If you want, you can remember this as it is. That sine 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is always tan theta. And instead of this 2 theta, anything can be here. If sine x upon 1 plus cos x is there, right? Instead of 2 theta, I am writing x. and this will be equals to tan x by 2. Whatever the angle is, just slice it in half. If we have sine 4x upon 1 plus cos 4x, this will be equals to tan 2x, just half the angle. All right, this is why I call this half angle formula, that we half the angle. All right, you can remember this
Yes, sir.
as it is, and this will be very helpful in class 12th also. And there will be a chapter called integration. We'll be using this a lot. All right, next question. Sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Simplify. All right, few minutes for this also. Absolutely right, Shabya. Gautam, have you solved this? Abdul, Arsalan, any answers? See, we can use the half angle formula here also. Just divide the angle by 2, right? If you had sine 2 theta, you would have written 2 sine theta by 2. Sine theta and cos theta. Here we'll be writing 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, right? Just half the angle. And in here, Gautam, what can you write? Compare this to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Do you know this formula?
Sir, 2 cos square theta divided by 2.
No. See, this is 1 minus, not 1 plus. That was for 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? In 1 minus cos 2 theta, the formula is 2 sine square theta by 2. All right, for this. And for this, 2 sine square theta. All right. So this 2 and 2 is cancelled. Sin theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 is cancelled. So cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2 is cot theta by 2. All right. This also you can remember as it is sin 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta is cot theta. All right.
Sir, I've used rationalize in the denominator.
Okay, you use rationalize. Same thing. All right, no issues.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this half angle formula application is very important. Although, all right.
Yes, sir.
So,
Lastly, I used half angle formula.
all right. Abdul Arsalan, is this clear? All right. One more question. 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. All right. Simplify. I'll give you a few minutes. No, Shravya, you should not get half. All right. Check again. Gautam, Are you able to solve this?
Sir, I can take this 1 plus cos to theta formula.
Absolutely right. 1 plus cos 2 theta and use the sin 2 theta formula. Same for denominator. 1 minus cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. Alright, use these two different formulas on here and see what you get. Alright. Shabya, same for you.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Shabya, what is cos 2 theta formula? Shabya, do you know this formula, cos 2 theta?
Yes, sir. Cos square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1.
Right, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if you take this minus 1 to this side, we'll get 1 plus cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta.
Yes, sir.
Alright, in the same way, please write it down also. In the same way, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta.
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
very important formula. Yeah. So here, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and plus sin 2 theta we can write 2 sin theta cos theta. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. We can take 2 cos theta common. So cos theta plus sin theta. From the denominator also 2 sin theta is common. Sin theta plus cos theta. This is cancelled. 2 and 2 is cancelled. So only cot theta. Alright, Gautam, not cot square theta. Alright.
Sir, where the like 2 cos square will go?
No, you can take only one cos theta common from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdul Arsalan. All right, few more formulas. All right. And don't think that any formula is not relevant. All the formulas are important. So you have to remember all of them. Sin A plus sin B is equals to, this is first one, sin A plus sin B is equals to 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Second one is sin A minus sin B, and this is equals to 2 sin A minus B upon 2 cos A plus B upon 2. You don't need to know the derivations, just remember the formulas. So cos A plus cos B is equals to 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. Fourth one, cos A minus cos B. And this is equals to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Alright, don't forget this minus here. All right, write it down.
Done, sir.
All right. Gautam, Abdul, Arsalan, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve this question. Prove that sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine 3 theta cos theta. Very easy question. Start from LHS. Use the formula. You'll get the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Proved, sir.
Okay. Very easy question, right? I don't have to solve this one.
No, sir.
Okay. Another one, sine 5a minus sine 3a upon cos 5a plus cos 3a. Simplify. All right, the answer is 10A. Absolutely right. Gautam has answered. Abdul Arsalan, clear?
So even I have answered.
Yeah, you also have answered. All right, so no issue. I don't need to solve this, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Next one. This is very easy. All right, this part is very easy. Let's solve one more for clarity. Cos 9x minus cos x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. All right, try to solve this one. All right, Shafia. Just use the formula here and here.
No, sir, I did, but then in between I got stuck.
Between you got it. All right. Gautam, what about you?
So 1 minute, sir.
All right. Okay, Shravya, you are getting 2 sine 5x sine 4x. So cos C minus cos D is, okay, let me solve this one. Cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sine A plus B. So 9x plus x is 10x by 2 is 5x into sine A minus B upon 2. So 9x minus x is 8x by 2 is sine 4x whole divided by this sine A minus sine B is 2 sine A minus B. So 17x minus 3x is 14x by 2 is 7x sine 7x into cos A plus B by 2, right? Cos A plus B by 2. So 17x plus 3x 20 by 2 cos 10x. This is clear till now?
Yes, sir. And then 2 will get cancelled.
Yeah, 2 is cancelled. So this
Yes, I got till
sine,
this.
all right. Can we do anything further than this?
I don't think so, sir.
All right. What you can do is if you use this formula, hmm, right. We cannot do anything else from here. All right. So this is the most.
Yes, sir. I got till
important.
this question. Then I got stuck what to do next.
All right. All right. Gautam, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Abdul Arsalan. Okay. So these formulas are very easy. No issues there. All right. Few more formulas. First one, 2 sine A cos B. All right. Here in the previous formulas, we were changing addition to multiplication. In here, we are trying to change multiplication into additions or difference. So this is equals to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. All right. 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Third one, 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. All right, this formula write as it is, because you will get confused, right, for this formula, because here minus comes first. All right, write it down.
So what is nothing?
All right,
Done, sir.
all right, Gautam, done.
Yes, sir.
All right, done. Question: convert each of the following product into the sum or difference of sine and cosine. All right, 2 sine 5 theta cos theta. Gautam, what did you do here?
So sine phi theta plus theta plus sine phi theta minus theta.
Right, right. So in the answer you just wrote 2 sine 10 theta. So that is not correct, right? The formula here is 2 sine A cos B. The formula is sine A plus B. So 5 theta plus theta plus sine A minus B. So 5 theta minus theta. So the answer will be sine 6 theta plus sine 4 theta. All right, this is the answer. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, 2 cos theta cos 3 theta. All right. Shavya, cos of minus theta is cos theta itself. All right.
Yes, sir.
So here 2 cos A cos B is cos A minus B. So minus 2 theta plus cos A plus B is cos 4 theta. And this minus we can remove. So cos 2 theta is cos 4 theta. Very easy.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one, 2 sin A sin B. All right. Let me give you some values here. Sin 75 and cos 15. All right. Simplify this. This is 2 multiplication. Sin 75 into cos 50. All right. We know the formula 2 sin A cos B. Try to use that formula. No, you don't have to use half angle. You can just multiply a 2 and divide by 2. And this is the formula for 2 sin A cos B, right? You can use that formula.
Yes, sir.
Gautam, clear?
No, sir.
No. Oh, let's see. You have this formula here. Sin 2 sin A cos B. If I take 2 to this side, can you write sin A cos B is half of this, right?
Yes, sir.
So in here, you have the same formula, sin A cos B. So this can be half of 2 sin something something plus something something. All right. Try to solve this one.
Sir, I've sent the answer. Is it correct?
Okay, that for that I have to solve. Actually, I don't have the answers. All right.
Yes, sir.
Gautam, have you solved this?
Sir, I got half of sin 90 plus sin 60.
Okay, put the values. So in here we can write this as half
Sir, I
of,
sent another answer. I think the previous one was wrong.
all right, 1 upon 4. Okay, let's see. So this is sine A cos B, and the formula for that is sine A plus B. So 90 plus sine A minus B. So sine 60. All right. So sine 90 is 1 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. No, Shabya, see, this is a very complicated answer. All right. Did you put the value for this 1 upon 2? Or
No.
what did you wrong?
Sir, I used 2 sine 75 dot cos 15 by 2. And then first one I used 2 sine A cos B.
Uh, I
Oh,
don't
sir, I
understand.
used 2 sine A by mistakenly.
All right, all right, all right. This is sine A cos B. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. And this question, you
Sir,
can
we
take
can
your
write
time.
2 plus root 3 by 4.
Yes, and this you can change anyway. Half 2 plus root 3 by 2, and this is 2 plus root 3 by 4. All right. Next question, and take your time with this question. All right. But please try to solve. 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equals to 0. You have to prove this.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you guys need a hint?
Sir, we'll try.
All right. All right. The first step would be to write this in cos of something plus cos of something. This is 2 cos A cos B. Use that formula. All right. Then if you look closely, this what will you get here?
Cos 8 pi by 13 plus cos 10 pi by 13. And then cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 by 13.
Absolutely right. So now you can change this 8 pi into 13 pi minus 5 pi, and change this 10 pi into 13 pi minus 3 pi. Why am I doing this? Because here we can see 3 pi and 5 pi. So changing one quantity into another quantity. All right.
Yes, sir.
8 pi by 13 can be written as 13 pi minus 5 pi by 13. Same for this. And don't try to change this one. Again, you will get the same quantities. All right. Just change these two. All right. Gautam, you have to prove this as 0. All right. Arsalan Abdul, what about you? And yes, in the next class, that is on Monday, there is a Viva for the chapter probability. All right.
So even I'll be having Viva?
Yeah. All right. You can watch
Yes.
the lectures of probability, not more than 2 lectures, I guess. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve this.
Done, sir.
All right. So how we can solve this one? This we can write cos 13 pi minus 5 pi upon 13 plus cos 13 pi minus 3 pi upon 13, and this two remain as it is. Cos 3 pi upon 13 plus cos 5
It will get
pi.
cancelled out.
Right, absolutely. So this is cos pi minus 5 pi by 13 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 13, and this as it is. All right. You don't do this, only I can do this. All right, Gautam, what is cos pi minus theta? Gautam, what is cos pi minus theta?
Don't remember, sir.
You don't remember. All right. See, whenever you have pi 180 or pi or anything like that, cos remains cos, and you get theta. But pi minus theta is in second quadrant,
Negative.
negative. In the second quadrant, so negative. All right. And here we have cos pi minus 3 pi by 13. Same for this. You'll get minus cos 3 pi by 13. And here we had cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. So these are cancelled and you get 0. All right, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't have, like, you have to remember this elements. All right. And I'm telling you again and again, don't take this chapter lightly. This will not leave you till you leave mathematics. All right, from now on, wherever you go, you will face trigonometry. All right, next question. Let's see. All right, show that under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equals to 2 cos theta. All right, try to solve this one. All right. Are you guys solving this? Shavya, Gautam? Any ideas?
Sir, one hint, sir.
One hint. All right. So take this 2 common here. Or let's start from the smallest under root. Take the 2 common here. You will be left with 2 into 1 plus cos 8 theta. And use the half angle formula here. And same thing, keep on repeating, we'll get the answer. All right. Just take the first step. Simplify this one. Take 2 common. Use the half angle formula. And see what you get. All right.
Sir, we can write 1 plus cos 8 theta is 2 cos 4 theta.
2 cos square 4 theta.
Yes, sir.
Shavya, see, I told you the
Cos.
formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. You just focus on the angle. All right. 2 theta
Yes.
become theta. So 8 theta will become 4 theta. Rest of the thing will remain same. All right.
Sir, it is 2 cos 4 to square theta.
All right. See, let me solve the first step. So this is under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root. So I take 2 common. I have 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now again under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 into, instead of this one, I can write 2 cos square 4 theta, and this is 8 theta, right? Just substituting this value with this. So now 2 into 2, 4. Under root is 2. So under root 2 plus under root 2 plus this under root we can solve as 2 cos 4 theta. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shavya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now again you can do the same thing. This is under root 2 plus under root, take 2 common, so 1 plus cos 4 theta. Again using the same formula,
So
under
here
root,
2 cos square 2 theta.
right, 2 cos square 2 theta. And now under root 2 plus this under root we can solve, we can get 2 cos 2 theta. Same thing again. So this is 2
2
into
times cos square theta.
theta. Absolutely right. So under root of that is 2 cos theta. All right. See, whole question was solved using only one formula. All right. But how to apply that formula? These things you can learn by solving as much question as you can. Solve NCRT, exemplar, miscellaneous, everything. All right. Solve the assignments. Then only you can take the guess how to solve. All right. In the first try, it seems very difficult chapter, but not that much. All right. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x.
Sir, could you show one more time this 1 plus cos 8 theta's
All
simplification?
right. See, Gautam, take this one only. In the question, take this under root. All right. Removing this one here. 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. All right. Taking the smallest element. Now this is under root. Taking 2 common, 1 plus cos 8 theta. And for this formula is 2 cos square 4 theta. And this is 4 cos square 4 theta. So under root of that is 2 cos 4 theta. Is this clear, Gautam? Gautam, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this value you can put instead of this, right? So what you will get 2 plus under root 2 plus the whole value is substituted by this 2 cos 4 theta and whole under root. Now take this under root again and simplify, put the value again, and this thing will be solved easily. All right. Gautam, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is very important question. All right. Teacher's favorite question is this. All right. Now simplify this one. Prove that this is equals to sine 2x sine 10x. All right. If you want any hint, then this is a square minus b square. First use this formula, then you will get to see what to do next. All right.
So first we need to simplify it as sine 6x plus sine 4x times sine 6x minus sine 4x.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Hence,
Done, sir.
Gautam, I already gave you the hint.
yes, sir, I finish.
All right. So, do you need me to solve this or this is done? We can move ahead.
Move ahead.
All right. Very good. Next question. Find the value of cos pi by 8. All right. This, no hint. Think about this, how you can solve.
Yes, sir.
Solve this. Any ideas? Gautam, Shravya, Abdul.
No, sir.
1 minute, sir.
All right. Gautam, if this is theta, then what formula you can use? Think about this. You want cos theta, or you can look at it like this: pi by 4 by 2. So this is theta by 2, right? You know the value of cos pi by 4, but you don't know cos pi by 4 by 2. So if cos theta by 2 is given, what formula you can use? Think about it like that. All right.
So here we need to use cos theta by 2 formula.
Right. Because no cos pi by 4, you can change this into cos pi by 4 by 2. Right. If pi
So
by
which
4
means
is
1 by root 2 by 2.
this is the answer you are saying.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. If I take pi by 4 as theta, I can change this into cos theta by 2. I know the formula. Cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, right? So I can find the value of cos square theta by 2 as 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 2. So cos theta by 2 will be under root 1 plus cos theta by 2. So theta is pi by 4. So cos pi by 8 will be equals to 1 plus cos pi by 4 whole divided by 2 under root. And cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 plus 1 upon root 2 whole divided by 2 under root. So now you can simplify
So
this.
root 2 plus 1 by root 2 times by 2.
Right. So root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under. All right. Gautam, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shabya.
Yes, sir.
All right. So all this is for today's class. All right. And remember the formulas. Don't forget the formulas and solve, like, finish the NCRT. All right. You are not, like, you will not be able to solve complete NCRT, but at least first 3 exercise. All right. You should be able to solve.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have enough time till Monday. All right, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then see you in the next class. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.